Welcome back to Adventures in Reach. So how do you tie a water knot when you have a ton of extra webbing? The first thing to ask might be, is this the appropriate size webbing to use for this application? Like to go around this small tree? Probably not, but sometimes it's just what you have left. You've been sizing webbing appropriate to your anchors, and then you just have this big bundle. So a couple ways you can do this. And what this is called is the frost bend. And essentially, I see people do it this way, where you tie the one side, the overhand, to start your water knot with a bite. And then they feed the individual end through. Okay, and that works just fine. And like I said, at the end, you're going to end up with a frost bend just like so. And you just know it's a frost bend because you have this loop in here where it was used on a bite. So that works just fine. But you can get the same result that is a lot easier to adjust by doing it in the reverse method. So to do that, we're simply going to tie our overhand to start our water knot or frost bend. And then we're going to take and wrap around, and now we can adjust this whatever size loop we want. We can come way out here, we can go in here, and then we're going to take our bite of webbing, and we're going to use the bite to create or tie that frost bend. And this way, it gives us a lot more flexibility in terms of saying, oh, actually I want this longer, and we don't have to go back and retie something. We just change where our bite is at and tie away, okay? So I would recommend doing this if you find yourself with too much webbing. So if this is helpful and you're interested in this sort of thing, you can check out my playlist up here all about knots. And I also have a beginner rappelling video up here that you might also be interested in checking out. And if you haven't subscribed already, I have a bunch of content like this, so I'd encourage you to do so now. There's always an adventure in your reach. All you have to do is find it.